thank you for everyone for coming. Welcome to the Portal Promise.
So the purpose of the event was to create a positive culture in the workspace, championed by Simon Delve and Lloyd Ashley, cover some well-being aspects as well, and positive cultures in the workspace.
It's been a fantastic experience for me. I'm really pleased that I had the invitation to come down and share. Behind every name badge, behind every job title, is a real person, and I want everybody just to look at that first before they make judgments of others or make any decisions. It's all about human beings being present, leading with heart.
It went really well. I got to thank everyone who attended. Hopefully we looked to make some new connections. People made some connections while they were here, and I can just say thank you very much, and I'll see everyone on the next one.